crazy. Oh shit, there's one right there. Oh my god, they're huge. They are massive. Oh my god. Ready? They scare me.
Yeah, I was looking, oh my god.
That one that was right there, that's terrifying. That's too cool.
Clouds are even perfect.
Yeah, they are.
Ya
believe.
Al fin poder.
Whatever. Bear country. Oh shoot. Oh hell no. Hey, let's turn back. Okay, so this ain't gonna work, y'all. We're gonna go and head back to camp, go back to Oklahoma.
No.
We're going back to Oklahoma, buddy. Ah, shoot! Ah.
Did you find one?
What's up, Jace? What's up, buddy?
You could come dry camp right here for up to 16 days.
Really?
Yeah. I could get on my campground here.
Yeah, oh, yeah, easy. I want to do that. Woo! There it is. Are you doing that? Some dam or something, I think. This is pretty dang cool.
See what that says? When this time is covered by snow, the road is impassable.
Oh shoot. When this sign is covered by snow.
When the snow was up to these first roads, like,
Damn, wait. So the sign's it's got to get up that high for it to be impassable?
no. It's just
It's just a stupid.
look at them.
Damn.
Stone thanks to firefighters 2020.
So they saved their town.
They came here and saved this town.
Bam. Oh shit, it was right there.
Yeah, this whole motherfucker, they stopped the firefighters stopped the fire. You see how there's no trees from here over to that break? Yeah.
They make a little
They
fire
come in here
gap.
and they cut them. They'll send them crews in here and they'll start cutting these trees, bro. Because you go over there and you look at these stumps,
Yeah.
they've been cut with the chainsaw. So they'll come in here and they'll cut them and then push them with a dozer or something.
Yeah.
And then that way when the fire comes, they can try to stop it.
Make a little fire gap, what do they call it? Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that is bark right there.
Man, look at those gears. Holy shit. Those gears right there. The gold mine.
This thing is pretty neat.
This is pretty big. Have you been here before?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we come up here. We've been up here like 3 times maybe. This will be our 4th.
Look at this.
You reach it? Elevation 8,800.
Oh my god. Wyoming Meals on Wheels.
What's up?
Oh, I didn't know you could go through there. What the heck?
Hello.
We don't pee in your yard. Please don't pee in ours. We got this. Oh, dang. What's that? Let me kill. Yeah, let me get my phone so I can take some pictures. Smells a little bit like belt in here. That rubbery smell.
What?
You smell that little burnt rubbery smell? You don't smell it? You smell it?
Yeah, a little bit.
God dang, you tied this thing up?
I guess I did. I thought shoot. I'm sorry, I didn't know. I don't want my phone to fall out. Let's go get some. Let's go get some pictures. I want to get a picture in there. Hug a bear. You want to be the? Good God. Wait. So what is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to be 2 people or what? But the bear's face is right there.
No, there's 2 people there.
Is that what it is? 2 people?
Y'all have to stick your heads to.
I can't. My camera's in the way.
I see his head will fit right there.
Oh, whoa, Hubbard. Hubbard's getting a little adventurous out here. Why, Cabs? Good Lord, everybody. I don't think I can go through that. Yeah, how is she getting? We're gonna have to get that dang. We're gonna have to get that little rope out and start pulling everybody up.
Huh?
We're gonna have to get that rope on the ears and pull everybody up. You coming up, Mom? Oh, you want me to give you a hand? Oh, where can I give you a hand from? There's really nowhere I can stand. I'm up. Come on.
You are nowhere adventurous like your son.
What's that? No more what?
He's no adventurous like your son.
No adventurous. You mean just roll down there? I'll cartwheel down this hill. All right, Aubrey, let's see what you got. We're streaming live on YouTube, so don't fall. Oh, you made it boring.
Want me to go down again?
No. Oh, maybe Debbie will give us something. No. Hopefully JC doesn't fall.
Gotta go. Why you gotta go that way? Gotta go. I can't. I'll go this way.
That's the way my mom went.
It's way easier.
So you saw a big old trout down there?
Just give me a trout. I mean, not a trout, but a flower.
He's cute.
Shit. I gotta use
Oh no, don't JC.
She's going to hell.
She's gonna pull you.
I'm on the Honda.
Let's see. Oh. All right, let's.
I like the hell out of it. I was going to reach down there and catch it.
That was that Razor 800 right there.
Nah.
That was that 800, buddy. That was the Mad Weed Eater. Yeah, buddy.
Wait a minute. I didn't realize that. Why is there another head slot?
That's what I was saying.
So you got the bear's a hugging a person.
No, but the bear has a head though.
Oh. Well, I don't know.
That's what I was confused about too. I was like, what? I don't understand. Is that supposed to be your stomach? Your guts hanging out? I think some kids drew it too. Oh, you're going through that way, huh? Wait, hey, take a picture, Mom. Oh, my camera. What is this hole right here?
You're in jail.
Oh.
Frequency of human bear encounters.
Wait, what's the frequency?
Frequent enough that they're putting a sign up.
Hikers, hunters, and fishermen, please take extra precautions and wear little noisy bells on your clothing to give advance warning. Avoid surprising the animals. We also suggest carrying pepper spray or bear spray in case of encounters. Be vigilant. There's grizzly bears out here too?
Yes.
What?
Yeah. I didn't think we.
Here you go. Here's all the here's some of the firefighters.
Oh, is that who that is? That's cool.
Oh, there's the fire.
There's the old town of Keystone. Look.
Oh, it was a booming town back in one day.
What is this?
Silver button.
Oh shoot!
Who's gonna push
That's
it?
a good one.
Push the run for entering.
Push it.
What?
Nobody.
The silver button.
Silver button where?
Right there.
That?
Yeah.
Push it.
Push it. Push it.
No, I'm good. Oh, hey!
Little trap.
It's a trap.
Jace was like,
Come on, sis.
Ooh. They have butter eggs here. Oh, butter and eggs. I thought it was butter eggs. What are butter eggs?
they butter the eggs down.
Oh, Joe, here. That's a jam right here.
That's the shit.
That's the jam right there. This is your song to Mama. This is from you to Mama.
That's some champagne.
Ow, these rocks go right to the Crocs. Is that the song? Huh? Is that the song? No problem. This looks like prime bear territory. Oh yeah. Hey! My fresh paint. Let's go look at it. Did you drop my phone?
Did I drop it?
Oh, it just wasn't in here.
Protecting it.
No, it just wasn't here. What happened to be right there?
Well, I told you, Mom, because some songs she doesn't feel that it's appropriate for you to be hearing.
For
She
me?
changes it.
Like, you can't delete it. You wish you could delete it. What kind of songs?
The ones that said motherfucker in it.
Oh, so everyone? I'm gonna take some pictures. Y'all coming? Let me look that way, hold on. You know? You got it?
I'm just laughing.
Now I'm stuck over here. Oh,
That foot did slip.
God dang it. I'm ready.
That was warming up.
I know I got to do a new playlist, but my shit's getting wore out.
My shit's getting wore out. God damn it. Are you alright?
I got busted. I was
You broke my light bar. You owe me a new light bar. Beautiful. Scooby-Doo-Doo-Doo-Doo-Doo-Doo-Doo-Doo-Doo.